While you're watching this video, thousands of people are earning passive income through affiliate marketing. Don't get left behind. In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to give you the keys to financial freedom through affiliate marketing. But this information won't be free forever. Here's why you need to act now. What is affiliate marketing? Let's start with the basics. What is affiliate marketing? Think of it as getting paid to recommend products you love. Here's a simple example. Say you love gadgets. You review the latest Bluetooth headphones on YouTube, include an affiliate link in the description, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Simple. I know a fitness influencer who wrote a blog post about top 5 yoga mats for beginners, with links to Amazon. They earn 5% from each sale. A beauty Instagrammer shares their nighttime skincare routine, including an affiliate link to their favorite moisturizer in their bio. This single product earns them $200 monthly. Even in the YouTube videos you watched, YouTubers reviewed budget-friendly gaming mice with Amazon affiliate links, generating steady income throughout the year. Why start affiliate marketing in 2025? Why should you start affiliate marketing in 2025? The reason is that affiliate marketing is booming in 2025 because people trust recommendations more than ever. Think about it. How often do you look up reviews before buying something? Affiliates are behind many of those reviews, earning commissions on every purchase. Let's talk about a website we all love, Pinterest. I saw a user who created outfit boards for seasonal trends like summer dresses under $50, linking items to ShopStyle Collective. Their boards attract thousands of views, driving daily commissions. Another example, a nutrition blogger shares smoothie recipes and links to their recommended blender. Each sale earns them a 10% commission. How to start earning with affiliate marketing. Let's explore how to start earning with affiliate marketing. I'll show you 3 steps you can take today. Step 1. Choose the right niche. Select a niche you're passionate about that has earning potential. For example, if health interests you, focus on specific areas like home fitness equipment or meal prep tools. First, list 3 to 5 topics you're passionate about, perhaps gadgets, skincare, or fitness. Then, use Google Trends or YouTube to research your niche's popularity. If you find a saturated market, create a unique angle. For instance, instead of covering general gadgets, focus on budget tech for students. Step 2. Find the best affiliate programs. Begin with user-friendly platforms like Amazon Associates. Beauty enthusiasts can explore Sephora's affiliate program, while tech lovers might prefer Best Buy's network. Start by researching affiliate program plus your niche on Google to find options. Compare commission rates to choose the best program for you. For instance, Sephora offers up to 10% commission, while Amazon pays 4 to 8%. Once you've found your ideal program, sign up. The application process is straightforward. Just provide details about your blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence. Step 3. Promote your affiliate links now for promotion. Content is king. Beauty enthusiasts can create top 5 drugstore skincare products videos or quick 5-minute makeup tutorials with affiliate links in the description. Fitness enthusiasts can share workout tutorials on YouTube, linking to resistance bands, yoga mats, and water bottles through Amazon. Each product can generate steady income. To promote your affiliate links, choose a content platform where you feel comfortable: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or a blog. Then plan your content, like best fitness trackers for beginners, and include your affiliate links in your bio, descriptions, or dedicated blog pages. Common beginner mistakes. A common beginner mistake is joining too many programs at once. Start with 1 to 2 that match your niche. For fashion content creators, focus on platforms like RewardStyle or ShopStyle Collective, rather than spreading yourself thin across multiple programs. Secret tip to boost income. Thanks for watching this far. Here's the secret. Build an email list. If you're in the health niche, offer a free 7-day home workout guide. Collect emails and share affiliate offers directly with your subscribers. A nutrition influencer might create a downloadable meal planner with affiliate links to protein powders and blenders, generating consistent commissions. Your favorite YouTuber provides a guide on the top 10 must-have apps for tech enthusiasts, linking to app subscriptions through affiliate partnerships. You've probably seen those Instagram posts offering free ebooks, recipes, and other resources in exchange for comments. That's exactly the strategy. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Money A to Z for more tips. See you next time.